Hello again. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw furnitures and fixtures. Let's dive in. To start, we're going to create a layer and we name it furnitures. FURN, and then we also include FIX for fixtures. Then change the color. I will create a color of yellow. Then OK. Then close the layer properties. Now let's make the furnitures as our current layer. Then click. Now I'm going to start with bed. Let's create a rectangle using this as reference and just pull it down. Then I type it 1200, comma 2000. Then enter. And then next is you're going to explode the rectangle. And then you're going to offset the upper line, offset into 50. Offset this into 50. And then another offset here into 550. Next, we're going also to offset this one into 400. Next, we're going to create a rectangle inside this one, rectangle, then OK. Then offset the rectangle into 100, offset 100, and then take the rectangle. Now remove the first rectangle, delete. Next, we're going to draw a 45 degrees from here. From here, we'll draw 45 degrees. You just locate the guide for 45 and you will see the 45 degrees here, and then click. Then draw it downward, then click. Then using trim, remove this one and remove that one, then enter. Next is we're going to create a fillet of this pillow. But before that, we're going to stretch this into 100. Type S, then enter. Select this portion, then enter. And then move this into 100. Do the same with this portion. Stretch, enter. Select this portion, enter, and then click here, then move it into 100. Now we are ready to fillet. Type fillet, then enter, and then select the radius here. Type 50, then enter, and then click polyline here, then enter. We are going to create also fillet on the bed. Type F for fillet, then radius is 50, then enter. Select the lines, enter, and then select another line, then enter. And lastly, select this corner, then enter, and then this line, then enter. So, for this, I have already created a bed. Next, I'm going to teach you how to draw sala set. This time, I'm going to create a rectangle 600 by 600. So, down below, I'm going to type rect, and then I'm going to create a rectangle 600, comma 600. And also, I'm going also to create a rectangle here for the upper portion, this upper head rest. From here, I'm going to move my cursor. Do not click, just move the cursor and then type 25. And then type also 600, comma 150. 600, comma 150. Then enter. Next, you are going to create a fillet again on the corner. So type F for fillet and then click reduce. Then type 50 for the fillet. And then select polyline. And then enter. And then select radius again and then 50. Then enter. Select polyline. Then enter. See, I have created a one sofa and then I will just going to create the other sofa. What we will do here is we are going to use an array so that this other sofa will be drawn automatically. From here, I'm going to type a line and then using the corner here, just slide into 50, then enter. Then here, I'm going to type 1,250, then enter. And then another 1,250, then enter. Select both lines and then click or type J for join. And then offset now this line into 50. Set 50. And then erase the other line. Next, we're going to create an array. So type AR for array and then click the object. Select the object and then enter array type. We will choose path. Then select the path. This time, go to this window, measure, and then select divide. Now, on the item, create a type 4. And then in between, create 25 or type 25. Then enter. And then go to measure. Click again here and then go to measure. Slide this arrow going into this direction. And then I'm convinced now with the distance and then I click close. Next, I'm going to draw a diagonal line here. This is 45 degrees. And then I'm going to draw a rectangle for the center table at 400, comma 600. Then I'm going to move this into the center. Using this as base point and then clicking the midpoint of the, and then erase the guide. And erase also the other guide. Now I'm going to draw also the circle for this corner. First, type C for circle, and then using this as reference. The midpoint of that one, and the midpoint of that one. And then click C for circle. And then type 250. See, I have created already a sala set. Next is I'm going to teach you how to create also dining table. First, we're going again to create a rectangle with the area of 1000, comma 1000. We type rec here, then 1000, comma 1000, then enter. And then fillet, let's create a fillet here, select the radius, and then type 50, then enter. Select polyline, then click the object. Next, we're going to draw also the chair. For this example, I want the size of the chair to be 500, comma 500. So rectangle here 500, comma 500. Then enter. And then the headrest is rectangle here. The headrest is 50, comma 500. Put the cursor here. Wait until endpoint show. Then move upward into 50. Then enter. And then it will start right here. Then the size is 500, comma 50. Then enter. We've already created a symbol for the chair. Now type S for stretch, then enter, and then select this corner, then enter, and click this corner, and then stretch this into 25. Do it also with this side, with this corner, S, enter, then select this portion, then enter, and then select again this corner, then slide this into 25, then enter, and then click also this portion, then stretch it into 25, then enter. Next is we're going to create fillet with this chair. F, select radius, then type 50, then enter. Select polyline, and then click, then enter. Now we're going also to create fillet and this headrest. Fillet, enter. Radius is 25, and enter. Then click polyline. So I've created already a chair, and I will gonna move this into the center of the midpoint of this table, the upper portion of the table. Move, then put it right here, and then slide the cursor into 150, then enter. The first thing to do is create again another array. Type array, then enter. Select the object, then enter. And then select again a path. Then this is the path. This time, go to this portion, and then go to divide, and select, just click 4. Then enter. Automatically, the chairs is arrayed into 4, and it is equally divided. And then if you are contented with that, click close. I have already created the 3 sets of fixtures and furnitures, such as bed, sala set, and then dining table. This has been my video tutorial for this moment. I hope you have learned something. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again for my next video.